At the DEFEA 2025 Defense Exhibition held in Athens, Greece, India's Tata Advanced Systems Limited, TASL, unveiled a cutting-edge suite of military platforms aimed at enhancing ground and air warfare capabilities. The company's appearance not only served as a platform to demonstrate its modern systems but also marked a strategic push for defense partnerships with European players, particularly in collaboration with the Hellenic armed forces and NATO modernization programs. Among the standout displays was the Wheeled Armored Platform, WhAP, 8x8, an amphibious, NATO-compliant combat vehicle engineered for flexible deployment. Designed with a modular build, the WhAP can be customized for missions ranging from infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, roles to use as a light tank, APC, reconnaissance unit, medical evacuation vehicle, or even for chemical and biological threat scenarios. The WhAP runs on a 600 HP engine delivering torque of up to 2,400 Nm and includes an independent suspension system alongside a central tire inflation system, which keeps it mobile even in rugged terrain or under damage. Its spacious cabin accommodates 11 troops, plus the driver, and is currently deployed along India's sensitive borders and in counterinsurgency zones. TASL also introduced 2 loitering munitions intended for surveillance and precision strikes. The ALS-250 is a long-endurance drone with a 250 km range and operates without manual control, featuring autonomous strike and return functions. It can carry either a high-explosive or tandem anti-armor warhead, both weighing 8 kg, and is equipped with a stabilized electro-optical/infrared turret to ensure mission capability under all weather and lighting conditions. Derived from the ALS-50, the ALS-250 builds on proven design. The ALS-50, which has already entered active duty within India's forces, has a shorter 50 km range and includes vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, functionality. With a 5 kg warhead and battlefield launch flexibility, it has received accolades such as the Indian Defence Innovation Award. Its ability to operate from unprepared environments makes it a valuable asset in dynamic combat zones. On the reconnaissance front, Tata highlighted the Rajak ULR-25, an ultra-long-range surveillance system designed to detect human movement up to 40 km and vehicles at distances reaching 60 km. The Rajak combines thermal imaging, laser range-finding, GNSS-based location tracking, and optical sensors in a single turreted system, with options to include shortwave infrared, SW, capabilities for visibility in fog or smoke. Easily deployable within minutes and operational for up to 20 hours on portable power, it is suited for mast or tripod mounting and integrates seamlessly with rugged control interfaces featuring optional target tracking software. Beyond these exhibits, TASL's growing catalog includes military-grade logistics trucks, high-mobility chassis, a variety of armored fighting vehicles, and payload delivery systems with lifting capacities from under a ton to over 130 tons. With an eye toward European defense cooperation, Tata aims to deepen its integration into regional supply chains, particularly within Greece, by pursuing localized manufacturing and co-development projects. TASL's offerings further extend into artillery, including towable and vehicle-mounted howitzers, multi-barrel rocket launchers, electronic warfare solutions, battlefield radars, and advanced optics. A crucial differentiator is Tata's full ownership of its designs and source code, meaning its technologies are not subject to US ITAR or German BAFA controls. This independence allows Tata to offer customizable, export-friendly systems free from external licensing hurdles. As a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Sons, TASL is a central pillar in India's defense and aerospace ecosystem. Active across sectors such as avionics, autonomous platforms, vehicle systems, and integrated surveillance, the company has forged global partnerships and secured roles as sole suppliers in several international programs. From assembling satellites and missiles to building radars and rotary-wing aircraft, TASL delivers comprehensive defense solutions spanning development, manufacturing, and system integration. TASL's showcase at DEFEA 2025 highlights its strategic intent to gain ground in Europe's defense sector. With proven systems already deployed across Indian forces and a manufacturing philosophy focused on local engagement and technological independence, Tata is well positioned to become a key supplier and collaborator to European militaries adapting to the demands of modern warfare.